Hello guys and welcome back to the video. In this video, I will show you how to recover your deleted Instagram post. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, go to the App Store and in the search bar type Instagram. Make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. Once that's done, open the Instagram app and go to your profile in the bottom right corner. After that, tap on the three lines in the top right corner. Now find your activity and tap on it. Then scroll down and tap on Recently Deleted. Here you will be able to see all of your deleted posts, and from there you can restore them easily. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.